हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू किंगडम ऑफ लर्निंग। सो आई थिंक आप सबको ये बात पता चल चुकी है कि 31 दिसंबर को आपकी डेट शीट अनाउंस होने वाली है बोर्ड एग्जाम्स 2021 की। तो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल कि आपका माइंड जो है वो बस प्रेशर से भर चुका है। यू आर फीलिंग सो टेंस्ड, सो वरीड कि अब क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, हमारी तो कुछ तैयारी ही नहीं हुई है और इंग्लिश को तो हमने टच भी नहीं किया है। तो आप शुरू से लेकर अब तक यही सोच रहे थे कि इंग्लिश का क्या है, इंग्लिश तो हो जाएगी। तो वो टाइम आ गया है जब इंग्लिश को भी अब आपको स्टार्ट करना है। तो इस वीडियो में हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम पोएम माय मदर एट 66 के बोर्ड के क्वेश्चंस मींस जो अब तक पहले बोर्ड में क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं उन सबको डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो Before we start, I want to say one thing to all of you कि if you will devote your less than 10 minutes to watch this complete video, तो I can assure you कि आपको ये पोएम जो है आपकी बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए डेफिनेटली प्रिपेयर हो जाएगी। आपको बिल्कुल भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए आप उसको कर पाएंगे। और उससे भी पहले एक चीज़ और मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप किंगडम ऑफ लर्निंग को फर्स्ट टाइम वॉच कर रहे हैं तो डू सब्सक्राइब टू इट बिकॉज आई एम going to bring videos related to board questions of all the poems and all the chapters, and apart from that I'll be coming live to teach writing skills also. So you press the bell notification also ताकि जब भी मैं लाइव आ रही हूँ उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए और आप सारी वीडियोस को भी देख पाएं। So now let's start. So the most important thing is that when you are just watching this video to do these questions, उससे पहले आपको hopefully means I can expect कि आपको पोएम के बारे में पता है। अगर नहीं पता तो आप मेरी 12th क्लास की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं, उस पर इस पोएम से रिलेटेड और भी कई वीडियोस हैं, तो आप एक बार उनको चेकआउट करके फिर ये वीडियो देखेंगे तो दैट विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल। बट इसमें भी इस वीडियो में भी मैं क्वेश्चंस के साथ साथ आपको पोएम के बारे में भी बताती जाऊंगी बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। सो हाँ, यहाँ पर अब आप देख सकते हैं कि हम यहाँ पर शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो 3 मार्क्स के हैं। और पहला क्वेश्चन है हाउ डज कमला दास ट्राई टू पुट अवे द थॉट्स ऑफ हर एजिंग मदर। तो अब ये क्वेश्चन कब पूछा जा सकता है मींस, और ये आप देख सकते हैं कि ऑलरेडी बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में आ चुका है तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ऑब्वियसली। तो ये क्वेश्चन तब का है जब कमला दास अपनी मदर के साथ कार में बैठकर जा रही होती हैं एयरपोर्ट और वो अपनी मदर के फेस को देखती हैं तो उन्हें लगता है कि वो बहुत ओल्ड हो चुकी हैं, किसी भी वक्त वो अपनी मदर से दूर हो सकती हैं। तो उन थॉट्स को अवे करने के लिए, उन थॉट्स को दूर करने के लिए वो क्या करती हैं कि शी स्टार्ट्स लुकिंग आउट ऑफ द कार बिकॉज शी इज़ नॉट एबल टू टॉलरेट दैट हर मदर इज getting so old. So just to distract her mind, to divert her mind, she starts looking out of the car. In this way she tries to put those thoughts away from her mind, negative thoughts about her mother. So now our very important next question that has already been asked in board exams is what was poet's childhood fear? This is a really very important question because I know कि most of the times हर बार ये question इस पोएम में से पूछ ही लिया जाता है। तो what was the childhood fear of Kamala Das and why do such fears surface when she is going to the airport? So answer will be that childhood fear of Kamala Das was how would she live without her mother. Means she always had this fear that what would she do when her mother would not be there with her. So actually this is the fear of every child, not to lose their parents. So naturally this was the fear of Kamala Das as a child as well. So this you have to write in the answer. So our next very important question is what do the parting words of Kamala Das and her smile signify? So you can see this question has been asked twice, 2010 and 2014. So the answer of this question is the parting words. First of all you have to know what are the parting words of the poet. Means जब वो अपनी मदर से सेपरेट हो रही होती है तो वो स्माइल करती है, वो अपनी मदर से बोलती है see you soon अम्मा। तो why does she say so? Actually Kamala Das says these words because she does not want to give any further pain to her mother. She actually wants to hide her real feelings from her mother. because in her mind she was feeling so bad. She was feeling like tormented by the thoughts of negativity, the thoughts of losing her mother. But at the outside, she just wanted to show to her mother that everything was fine. That's why she smiled at her and she said, "See you soon, Amma." So, this will be the answer of this question. So, our next very important question is, why has the poet's mother been compared to the late winter's moon? This is again very important question, and most of these questions are from the back exercise of the poem only. So, you can see it has been asked in 2011 and 2013 as well. तो आंसर होगा इसका कि मदर has been compared to late winter's moon because they both are similar in a way. Like in the late winter season, the moon looks very faded, it has no brightness, like it looks pale, right? Similarly, the mother is also in the last phase of her life. She means that is also like a winter in her life, and her face has also become very weak, very pale. And you can see van word is used in the poem, so you can also use it, and that is the reason that the mother's face has been compared to a late winter's moon. So this answer you have to write. So another question is, why are the young trees described as sprinting? तो यहाँ पर आपको sprinting का meaning सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए. Sprinting means running. So actually you can write in the answer that the poet has created the effect of illusion here. Means when we are sitting in a running vehicle, we find that the trees are running, but actually that is only an illusion. Actually that thing is not happening. So here the young trees have been described as sprinting, as running, because the poet has used the literary device of illusion, and she wants to show us the comparison between the life of the mother and the trees which seem to be running. So now the question is, what were the poet's feelings at the airport and how did she hide them? So in this I have told you in one previous question also, that when she was at the airport and she was getting separated from her mother, she was having very negative feelings. She was thinking ki how would she live without her mother, what would she do, but she tried to hide those feelings by by giving a smile to her mother and by speaking some words like "see you soon," which were full of positivity. And she tried to say this thing to her mother just to hide her inner feelings of negativity and fear. So now we will see next question, that is, what do the parting words of the poet Kamala Das to her mother signify? Again the same question, and it has been asked in 2008, 2009, 2012. So you can understand that this is the most important question from this poem, and you have to just know the answer, that the parting words of Kamala Das to her mother signify her inner feelings of loss, fear and negativity. But she said those things, means she outwardly she only said "see you soon, Amma," and she just wanted to console herself, even that she wanted to meet her mother again, but inside her heart she knew that perhaps she won't be able to meet her again. So this answer you have to write in this question. So now we will see the last question from this poem, which may be asked, that why had the poet brought in the image of merry children spilling out of their homes? So this has been asked in the year 2008. So this is another very important question, that the poet has brought in the image of merry children. Spilling means moving, rushing out of their houses, because the poet wants to show the contrast. So actually Kamala Das has used the device of contrast also in this poem, and through this line she is trying to show the contrast in the life that was inside the car and the life that was outside the car. Means inside the car mother was there, she was sleeping, she was without any activity, she was pale, she was weak. But outside the car the life was moving, it was full of happiness, it was full of young energy and all these things. So that is the reason the poet has tried to show the children running out of their houses. So as I promised you that you will be able to prepare this poem in less than 10 minutes, and I have fulfilled my promise. If you will devote your 10 minutes to watch this video, your poem will be prepared for the board exams. And if you have not still subscribed to Kingdom of Learning, do it fast and like the video also. And if you are interested to join our paid crash course of English for class 12th, 11th, 9th or 10th, then you can just check the description box. There you will get all the details. Thank you everybody.